Have you recently applied for a visa only for you to get rejected? Well, don't worry, you are not alone. In today's video, I'm going to break down the most common reasons why your visa applications get rejected, and most importantly, how you can fix these mistakes and increase your chances next time. You can increase your chances on how to get your visa approved next time. If you're just coming across my video for the first time, my name is Idris. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Visa rejection can feel frustrating, but it's often due to small errors or overlooked details. But understanding the reason behind the rejection is the first step towards fixing the mistake. So let's now dive into the most common mistakes, most common causes of this visa rejection. One of the most common reason why visas get rejected is incorrect or incomplete documents. Incorrect or incomplete documents, missing paperwork like incorrect dates, mismatched information. These things can easily lead to rejection or delay of your visa. So double check your documents properly, make sure your documents are correct, make sure your informations are correct, make sure you don't misspell your name, make sure the dates are correct, all your documents are intact and correct. If you do this, it will help you to avoid rejection. And make sure you cross-check properly, double check all your informations, double check your details, review your details, review your informations before submission. All this will help you to avoid delay or to avoid visa rejection. And the second reason why visa applications get rejected, or the second reason why your visa application might get rejected is reason 2 is insufficient proof of fund. Because embassies want to see that you can be able to afford your trip, you can be able to take care of yourself when you get to their country. You will not be stranded, you will not be a financial burden on their country. So if you don't provide enough evidence of financial stability, enough evidence to show that you have enough money to take care of yourself or to afford your trip, it will lead to a visa rejection or visa delay. So you need to include, at least show your bank statement that has with enough money in it to show that you can be able to afford your trip. And also or sponsorship letters. You can also show a sponsorship letter. That is, if somebody is sponsoring your trip, you need to show this sponsorship letter. And also try to include at least 3 months or 6 months of bank statement. Not just a bank statement, but the bank statement showing that you have enough money in it to take care of your trip, to take care of yourself during your trip. If you do this, also it will help you to avoid the rejection or the delay of your visa. The third reason again why visas get rejected is weak ties back at home, weak ties to your home country. Visa officers may reject your application if they believe you won't return back to your country after you visit their country. That's it. If they believe that you don't have strong ties back in your home country, they will reject your visa, because they will feel after your visit to their country, you won't want to go back to your country because you don't have any strong ties back in your country. So this happens when applicants don't provide proof of strong ties. If you don't provide proof of strong ties to your home country, it will lead to your visa rejection or visa delay. When I mean strong ties, I mean something like maybe you have a job back at home, you have properties, you have families, you have a wife, you have a husband, you have kids, you have grandparents, you have old parents, and you have properties like a business. Just show a proof that you have something back at home that you have to go back to. You will not stay back in their country after your visa elapses. So try to include proof of employment, show your employment letter or family responsibilities, or show a photo of family. And also you can also show property papers like your business papers, your land papers, car papers. Just show something, just prove that you have strong ties back to your home country, and prove to them that you have no reason to stay back in their country after you visit the country. Show them that you have reasons to go back to your country after your visit. This will help them not to reject. This will help you not to get your visa rejected or to get your visa delayed. The fourth reason why your visa might get rejected also is inconsistent or suspicious information. If the information you provide in your visa application doesn't match or look suspicious, if it doesn't match and it looks suspicious, like maybe you have fake documents or inconsistent travel plans, you are likely to face rejection. Your visa is likely to get rejected. So always be truthful and ensure all your documents and information align with each other. Don't lie, be honest, don't use fake documents because they can easily detect when you use fake documents and it will lead straight to rejection or denial of the visa. The fifth reason again is the next reason, which is reason number five. Reason number five is previous visa rejection. Do you know that a past visa rejection can affect your future application? Yes, it can. So embassies, because embassies, they often look at your visa history. They go through your visa history once you submit your passport. They go through your visa history. They want to see if you've applied in India, if you've applied for a visa to their country before or any other country before, if you've got rejected before or you've got approved before, so stuff like that. So embassies, they look out for these things. So if you have any visa, any prior visa denial or rejection, clearly state it in your application and address it and explain it clearly why you get rejected, and also explain to them how you've addressed the issue. You can explain this in a cover letter when you are doing your application. It will help also to avoid visa rejection. So always try to address your visa history. If you have visa rejection before, if you have past visa rejection before, in your present application or future application, try to address it clearly and be honest about it. Okay, let me now tell you how to fix all these issues, all these causes of visa rejection. Let me now tell you how to fix them. One, review your rejection letter carefully. Read the rejection letter, because most embassies, once your visa is rejected, most embassies, they state out the reasons why your visa was denied or why your visa was rejected. So focus on resolving those specific issues. If you check your rejection letter, you will see all the reasons why you get rejected. So if you want to reapply again, you have to focus on resolving those issues, focus on correcting those mistakes before you reapply. Number two, try to reapply with corrected documents. Double check everything, fix any missing or incorrect documents. Fix any missing or incorrect documents, and also ensure that all the documents align with the embassy's requirements before you reapply. The third way for you to fix this mistake again is strengthen your proof of funds, strengthen your bank statements, strengthen your financial stability. Make sure you are financially stable before you apply. So strengthen your proof of funds and ties back to your home country. Provide proofs of your finances like bank statement, and also provide proof of strong connections to your home country, like provide extra documentations or extra documents like employment letter, also properties documents, or family ties, like family photos, birth certificates of your kids, passports of your kids to show that you have children or to show that you have old parents to take care of. So provide all this, and these are. And the fourth way for you to fix this common mistakes, common reasons why visas get rejected, the fourth way for you to fix it is consult an expert. If you're unsure about your application, try to consult a visa expert or a travel agent to guide you. Don't just do it blindly. You don't have an idea about it and you just do it. Consult an expert. Let them help you. I'll be more than happy to assist you. You can just check on my profile, check on my bio. You can see my contact there. You can contact me. I'll be more than happy to assist you with your visa applications to any country. I can help you to avoid mistakes and also improve your chances of your visa approval. Number five is be patient and be honest when reapplying. When you get rejected and you want to reapply, be patient and be honest. Do not lie. Be honest about your document. Be honest about your informations. Be truthful and also be truthful about your previous rejection, because you are reapplying. Remember, you get rejected before you are reapplying. So try to address the previous rejection. Be honest about it and tell them how you've addressed the concerns, how you've addressed the mistakes you made in your previous application, the mistake you made, because they will give you reasons why you get rejected. So if you are reapplying again, you have to be patient and you have to be honest and tell them how you've addressed that mistake you made in the previous application. Try to address it and be honest about it. If you do this, you will get your visa once approved without any delay. And also, I want you to remember that A visa rejection is not the end of your travel dreams. With the right preparations and attention to details, you can fix these issues and try again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Explore Abroad for more travels and visa tips. Have you faced any visa rejection before? Share your experience in the comments below, and thanks for watching.